Boom! What's going on, everybody? It's your boy Deli Dose Love. So welcome back to the channel. Welcome back. So you guys seen the little video we put together of the skid plates and the bumper and the lift kit and whatnot. So as you guys can see now, we're officially missing one more piece of armor to protect the Lexus, which is, what is it? Rock sliders. You guys already probably seen the title of the video, but nonetheless, we're gonna be installing rock sliders on the Lexus, man. I'm super excited. We went with RSG, so super excited to do that. So I'm gonna kind of give you guys a little bit better of an installation this time than my previous video on how we did these, how we put these in here, since this does run KDSS and whatnot. And if I remember, I think I got the ones with the flat, no angle, just straight flat with the top plate, of course. But let's go ahead and unbox these bad boys, see what they look like. But let's go ahead and get today's video started in 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Alright guys, so here's what we're doing. Here's the driver's side, the passenger side, I lied to you. So it's going to bolt into these pre-threaded holes. But the first thing we're going to do is we're going to take this AutoZone brake cleaner and this wire brush, what's left of this wire brush, and try to just kind of clean out the holes to make it easier to thread the bolts in. But let's clean those out real quick. Guys, an update. So I got it cleaned out. I ended up using a file with a towel. We're gonna take off all these little center caps to make sure that the sliders sit flush with the frame, and then we've got to unbolt the emergency brake hose to slide the slider underneath there here on this side, and then we should be good to go. That should allow us to mount this bad boy. So we got to take off 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Looks like 6 little plates, and then 2 12mm, maybe 14mm bolts back here. But let's knock that out. there we go, guys. So we got them bolted up, and as you can see, we had to cut the KDS line cover, just a little small modification to get it to bolt up to the frame to cover the KDS lines that roll from the KDS module underneath the frame, underneath the crossbar, cross member, up into the front. But nonetheless, super excited, man. It looks really great, actually, and I'm actually quite pleased with the quality and the condition and whatnot of the RSG sliders. It looks really great. Looks better than my hair. But look at these bad boys. As you can see, so they got the kick out on them, we got the top plate. So nonetheless, we're almost done. Just got to bolt this bad boy back up and bolt these back in. Woo, got a burp, but we're almost there, guys. We're almost there. Boom, there you guys go. You guys seen it. The sliders are installed. Super excited by the quality, by the build of them, and the installation process of it. Quite easy, actually. Very, very easy. But hope you guys got something from this video. Quick little install on the GX460. So that's what, this is now officially what, part 2 of 3 of setting up the sliders. First part, we cut up the slider, or the step, to get the little rocker panel piece. 2, we installed the sliders. 3, we're gonna be rewiring the courtesy lights. I do miss those, especially when I'm walking out to the car in the parking lot away from work. Kind of do miss those courtesy lights. So that's gonna be part 3 of the video, so stay tuned for that. But nonetheless, got it installed, good to go. Super excited about it. They look good, man. They look really good, and they feel really solid. So nonetheless, hope you guys liked today's quick little install video. If you guys did, you know what to do. Hit that like button for me. Drop your comment what you guys think about the slider. Should we have gone with RSG? Should we have gone with someone else? I don't know. But if you did, if you think differently, drop it in the comments. And let me know what you guys also do think about the sliders. They look freaking sweet. But in the meantime, I'm out. I'll catch y'all later on the next one. So in 3, 2, 1. Peace.